Hi everyone. In the last video, I have explained you how to give the input using a scanner class. In this video, let's talk about how more about input stream reader and buffer reader. And I'm enabling the comments, disabling the comments, and now for the integer, I will remove this also. Okay. For accepting the integer, I can write integer dot parse int input dot read line. Copy this. For the long, same thing, long parse long input dot read line. And for the string you can write simply input dot read line. That's it. What is the reason? Reason is that whenever I am accepting a string, you can write input dot read line, which is nothing but this one. What is the reason? Is when we are giving the input in the Java, by default it will take as the string, then it will convert the into another data type. Okay, semicolon I was missing. For the double parse double. For the float, caps lock flow f parse float. Okay, if I compile something wrong, semicolon. Whenever there is an error, it will show you in the line. If I compile this, parse, okay, the spelling mistake, you can compile. It is showing the error here. Parse and parse. For the character, system.out print a character, okay. Control C, Control F, enter the character. Characters are C equals to character dot parse character input dot readline. This is for character. Control V. If I compile, parse. For the character, there is some format I have to check and will confirm in the upcoming videos. For now, character I'm not doing that. Compile. No syntax error. Why? Okay, Java input. This is the class name. That's why it is compiled. But if you see the lines, Java inputs. If I am talking about Java inputs, then fine. No syntax error. If I run this method call, then in the terminal window, if you will see the output. Enter an integer. Okay, say 25, 20, or any number. 50,000. Enter the string high, double, 4.8, float, 56.89. This is the output. This is how you can accept the integer percent. Now, if I can write in another way also for the input stream reader. How I can write in the single line? You can write this in the single line. For now, I am commenting it. I will copy this whole line. Control V. If you see here, I am giving the int size. Then I am initializing this statement to give the input. So in the same way, in the reader place, here reader, in this place, I am having this statement. So instead of reader here, I can paste it here and remove the comments. So this reader and this reader are same. That's why I can give this statement within this instead of reader. If I compile this, there will be no error, no syntax error. Okay, let's execute once more. Ctrl K, clear the output. Java inputs, void main, method call OK. Now enter the integer 4, long 50,000. Okay, enter the string. Hi, I am Dheeraj. Double 3.9, float 2.7. This is how it is executed. Anyways, you can give like this or like this, doesn't matter. This is how all the data type can be accepted as the input by the user. That's it. Thank you. If you have any doubts, you can ask me in the comment section. I will explain you in upcoming videos definitely. And if you have any classic clarifications or any explanation need, I can do that in the upcoming videos. Let me know in the comments. Thank you.